everyone, this is me Satya here, and I'm doing your second week of June read. Start from the 8th through the 14th of June 2021. This reading is going to be for the sign of Gemini. So let's dive into the read and let's find out how this week is going to be for the Geminis. I will add charms and oracle cards in this reading, so stay tuned. And now, while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So Geminis, let's dive into the read and let's find out how this week is gonna be for you guys. Let's see. Ace of Pentacles, the Hermit, Ace of Cups. Wow, what's happening? Getting lucky in love and finances, both. Queen of Wands. Wow, your passion is going to get you a lot of happiness, abundance, and love, work, finances. Now, if you are passionate for your work, you are going to find someone through your passion for work and love as well. Like, if you are passionate for one kind of a field and you are doing the best in that, you are going to meet a person over there regarding connected to the same field of yours, and that person will be equally mutually passionate towards the field that you are passionate towards. So somehow your love life and your work life will be connected, and it seems like both have the same passion for work, for love. You both desire, almost it's more like you are mirroring each other in a situation where you both want a person. Like you when you see this person, you would know that this is the kind of person you always wanted for yourself. Why? Because they do have the same ideals around everything. So it seems like you have finally found a person who has same goals, same everything that you look for, for your future self. So I feel like it's more of that energy where you're gonna gel along so good, you're gonna have a chemistry on the day one. So I feel like this person is definitely somebody new. And if you are single, this person is like, as if they have walked out of your dreams basically. This person is exactly how you always wanted your person to be. For some of you, maybe you are already in talks with this person and you are seeing that wow, like this connection seems to be going so well, and you would have like your thoughts around it. Maybe they see you like that and they feel like oh my gosh, she or he is like exactly how I wanted my person to be. So there is this positivity that you have for them and they have for you as well. I feel like it's pretty much mutual. Like I said, there's a lot of that energy, like the mirror energy there. Nine of Swords. Now, if that's the new person, trust me, you will be having a lot of negative thoughts, negative maybe nightmares as well. Somebody trying to convey you a wrong message around this person. There could be some people who are envious, jealous as well. Be clear in your mind around this person, this situation. I do see that this situation in love work seems to be so good to be true, but that is true. That's the reality. That's the fact. There are people who are not having positive intentions for you. If you could see that there is this devil face there, then we do have the people who are trying to scare this woman there. So I feel like you will have people around you who are not happy see you so strong going forward in the right direction. Be careful. You have to protect yourself from those people who have evil intention, evil eye for you. You might see some negative images in your dreams as well during this time. Again, be clear in your mind that these are not coming from the heavens. These are not coming from the light angels. They are coming from the dark angels, and you have to protect yourself, your connection, your financial abundance and everything. There is some negativity coming ahead for you in this week time, especially in the second half of the week. You will feel like there is some sort of evil images that you could see around you as well. Now again, for some of you, you might be under some sort of somebody is trying to cast a spell on you. That could be very that energy is very evident there. There's somebody who's not having positive intention for you. You might find some things written down by someone else for you, for the person that you are dealing with as well. Again, there is some sort of negative black magic influence coming in for sure. You have to protect yourself from that. Now, for some of you, these negative influences could be coming from the people that you are so close to as well. try to protect yourself, because I feel like, this is definitely, ooh, the Magician paired up with the Nine of Swords. There is somebody who's casting a spell on you or the person that you are dealing with. There is a specific someone in your life or in their life who's not happy seeing you two happy, seeing you both grow, seeing you both flourish. You have to protect yourself. There is evil energy around there. Oops, Three of Swords. Oopsie, Seven of Swords. Yes, there is a lot of deception coming in. There's a lot of negativity coming in, especially in the second half of the week. The first half of the week seems to be very positive. Everything will seem so good to be true. Now the second half is going to start showing negative signs in that person and that connection. There's nothing wrong in that person connection, but yes, somebody's casting a spell. Now if you don't want that energy to come in your life, you have to keep yourself protected. You have to keep the communication between you and your specific someone very clear as well. Underneath the deck, we do have the Four of Wands. Wow. Why you are seeing Devil? Somebody's trying to influence your life the negative way, the worst negative way. So protect yourself. That's a must here, because I don't think or I don't see any negativity attached to the new person, to the person that you are dealing with. I do see a negative energy coming from the people around you. They could be your family members, they could be extended family members, they could be your exes, they could be the people close to to the person that you are dealing with as well. Yes, you have to protect yourself and the connection that you have with your new person. I do see that as a new person, because I feel like, this connection seems to be very young. There's a lot of passion in this connection. I don't see that this connection could be old. Even if it is, maybe there is a reignited passion and love in this connection now. So maybe there are people who are having evil eye for you or for the connection that you have with your person. So just protect yourself and the connection you share with your person. Miraculous changes are ahead. I feel like, these are negative ones, because the positive one is something that you can already see. 3 months time could be significant for you in this particular situation. Party fun gatherings, try to party fun, and try to keep your vibe so high, so positive, so upbeat. If you are vibing with that vibe, trust me, even then too, negative influence cannot influence you the negative way. They cannot interrupt with your inner peace. If you are feeling a certain way which is not so positive, it is all because you are vibing low. Even if you are if you are a strong-headed person, nothing in the world can manipulate your energies the wrong way, the negative way. Their energies, the negativity that they are sending to, will be going back to them. You will be repelling them back to the person who is sending you those shots, evil shots. So it's very important you to keep yourself positive, happy, excited. Don't listen to or don't give your attention to the evil talks happening around you, gossip, negative talks. You just need to keep yourself out of all of that. Believe in your person, believe in your intuition around it, rather than believing other people. Soulmate, your soulmate is already with you in spirit. Believe this and they will manifest physically. For some of you, you might have been always planning that your person should be like I said earlier, and that's how they are, the one that you are with. But yes, there are some people who are not happy seeing you happy, so you have to protect your connection. Man of Spring, protect the fruits of your labors. Prepare for possible challenges that lie ahead. Environmental conservation. There you go again. For some of you, there could be conservative opinions coming from the people around you, especially if you and your person is from different religions. Maybe there will be some sort of issues coming or arising because of that as well. Now, you have to be very protective of the connection. Try not to let people get the best of this connection and the efforts that you have been putting in to manifest this kind of a relationship. Now you're getting it all, but yes, there is a lot of negativity around you. You have to protect yourself from that and your person and your connection as well. Let's see the charms now. There's a P that I could see. So there could be a person named whose name starts from P, N or S, who is trying to influence you. It can be your name initials as well. Then we do have somebody is trying to mix something. Maybe somebody is going to feed you with some sort of black magic done on it. Try to avoid eating food at different places, maybe with someone at their house. Maybe try to protect yourself. Try to use you might see some written words here and there, which again is done to influence you or your action or your person's action. Again, there is a black magic done for sure. So just try to protect yourself and your connection, and that's how you get through this time. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this read. If the reading resonates with you, to like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye.